Hello everyone and welcome back to Azure Cloud today. In the next few minutes, we would deploy Microsoft Edge on a real iPhone live together, pushed from Microsoft Intune without anyone ever opening the App Store and installing it manually. All of this is Intune doing the work for you. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add Microsoft Edge in the Intune Admin Center, how to push it to your users, and what your users actually see on their iPhone when this application arrives. Quick note for anyone following the series. I've re-enrolled this iPhone under a dedicated user called end user at azurecloudtoday.live. Nothing else apart from this is changing. Why Microsoft Edge at all? Well, you could deploy almost any free app from the App Store to your iPhone via Intune. The reason why we have selected Microsoft Edge is because this is the main supported or allowed browser in most organizations. Since we would be deploying it from Intune, this would become the managed browser for us, meaning when you sign into Edge with a work account, Intune can apply data protection rules to it the same way it does to Outlook or Teams. This matters because two of the most powerful things we'll do later only work through a managed browser like Edge. App protection policies, which stop work data leaking into personal applications, and conditional access policies, where you can say only let people reach company web apps if they're using an approved or a managed browser like Microsoft Edge. Safari can't satisfy those rules, but Microsoft Edge can. So when we deploy Edge today, we are not just layering an application, we are layering the foundation for the security videos coming up later on. We are now in the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. To push the Microsoft Edge to our iPhone, let's click on Apps over here at the left side. Then we would select the platform. We will select iOS, iPad OS, and then we would click on Create. Over here, the platform is auto-selected for us, and in the application type, let's click on the drop-down and then choose iOS Store Apps, and then click on Select at the bottom over here. Then in the Select app, we will click on Search the App Store, and before that, we will just select it to and keep it as Ireland over here, and then search our application. We have searched for Microsoft Edge over here. We will select this and then click on select at the bottom over here. If you notice, most of the fields are auto-populated for us, like the name, description, publisher, the App Store URL. And this is like a selection, minimum operating system. Let's keep it a bit high, like maybe 15. And then we can select a category if we like. So let's keep it maybe productivity. And then let's go and let's keep all of this as default. If you notice, the logo has also populated. Let's click on next now. In the assignment, we would be selecting required over here for our particular application deployment. But if you want to know the difference between required and available over here, then please click on the card attached on the top right of this video for you to watch. Now let's click on add group over here. Now I will click on all iOS users. Please note this is a user group which has my user assigned to it. Now let's click on select. This user also has a business premium license attached to it. Okay. And let's click on next. We will review our choices over here, and then we would also see it is set to required over here. Okay, everything is fine. Let's click on create now. That's all. Your Microsoft Edge has been successfully created and assigned as required to the end user. Let's go back by clicking over here, and if we refresh over here, you would see Microsoft Edge listed over here with the status of assigned. Let's click on refresh. Okay, not here yet. Okay, the Microsoft Edge has populated for us now, and we see that the status is showing up as assigned. Now we are in our iPhone. If you notice, we already got a prompt stating that app installation default directory is about to install and manage the app Microsoft Edge from the App Store. Your Apple account will not be charged for this. So over here, we'll just click on install over here. In such a way, Microsoft Edge will be automatically installed on your iPhone in a couple of seconds. Also, if you now click inside the company portal application, and then let's just switch and go to all apps again, and if I click on all view all apps over here, you would notice that Microsoft Edge is also showing up over here. As a quick recap, today we added Microsoft Edge from the iOS Store app and marked it as required. Due to this, we saw a live prompt in our iPhone requesting to install it. That's it, the complete real world flow for deploying a Microsoft app to an enrolled iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you at my earliest. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.